Fire signs. Leo, Aries, Sagittarius. Y'all got to read. That's what the heck y'all got going on. I'm Nora. Greetings. Welcome to the Divine Space. Take what resonates, leave what does not. If it doesn't apply, let it go. Gratitude for the likes, comments, shares, as well as subscribing. So, but what's going on with the fire signs, though? Clear, accurate messages only. Energy is always fluid. I could be speaking of a masculine. It could be a feminine energy. Place whatever way it needs to be placed. What's happening with our fire signs? What's going on with the Leo, Aries, and Sagittarius? Leo, Aries, Sagittarius. What's going on with our fire signs? Fire signs. Fire signs, please, Spirit. Y'all have Lily. So we got the King of Swords out here. All right, so there's an energy of balance. Libra energy may very much be significant. Okay. Number 30. Okay, there's an energy of authority, structure. Let's go ahead and see what this Lily is talking about. This symbolizes joy, patronage, and harmony. So I'm definitely seeing an energy of things coming into harmony for you guys. There's energy of joy and patronage. It seems like there's energy of people assisting you, you assisting with other people. Okay, I'm also seeing an improvement of your well-being, new opportunities, financial success, and prosperity here. Like I stated, things are definitely balancing out for you guys. There's energy of harmony. If anything, I'm seeing in my mind's eye the star. Okay, I'm seeing the star as well as the temperance angel, patience, balance. The stars symbolize harmony, tranquility, being spiritual. Okay, there's an energy of you guys possibly staying focused. I don't know if you guys are focused on something or trying to have some sort of plans or something like that. Clarify this, Lily. As I stated before, the number 30 could definitely be significant. What is it that we need to know? One more. Three more actually came out. What's going on with the fire signs? All right, so I see number 8. I'm too afraid to talk to you. So you have somebody that's afraid to communicate with you. I am also seeing think before you act, fire signs, Leo, Aries, Sagittarius, and all. I'm also seeing I hope you're away from me. Number 3, 83 could be significant, 38. So you have somebody that's out here that wants you to wait for them. This person may be afraid to talk to you. And there's an energy of you needing to think before you act. So somebody might be feeling very fiery. You're focused on other things, but it seems like people are trying to get you out of yourself or something. They're trying to get a rise out of you, trying to get some sort of emotion out of you. Why I'm almost feeling like an energy of you can get thinking before you act because you can throw away everything that you work for or prepared for or got yourself ready for. Okay? You don't want to just simply throw it all away, fire signs, Leo, Aries, Sagittarius. Because like I stated before, there's an energy of um, some sort of new beginning here for you guys. What is it? Improvement of your well-being is here, and someone's trying to have you throw it all away. I'm seeing an energy of joy and harmony here. They're trying to interfere with that. What's going on? Fire sign. Somebody, oh, somebody's coming out of no contact. There's somebody that you have not been speaking to or communicating with that's coming to reach out to you, fire signs. I'm seeing whoever this person is someone that you possibly place boundaries with, and it seems like they're not taking no for an answer. With this no energy and you setting boundaries, I'm seeing like there is also a third party energy out here. I don't know if you're in a connection or something like that, or whoever this person is possibly have a third party in their energy or something placed whatever way it needs to be placed. But I'm definitely seeing an energy of somebody coming in shaking things up. Somebody might be coming in trying to shake the table. They're like, I hope you're waiting for me. I'm afraid to really talk to you about what I got going on. But please don't act. Don't think before you act type of energy is what Spirit is saying. All right, let's go and get into the tarot. Clarify there's no contact. Clarify no contact. Well, more like coming out of contact. Coming out of contact, please, Spirit. What's going on with our fire signs, Leo, Aries, Sagittarius? Coming out of no contact energy. What is this? So I'm saying somebody have learned some sort of lesson. Learn from past failures and mistakes. No contact in reverse. Oh, yeah. You got your boundaries out with whoever this person is. I'm definitely seeing energy of you learning some sort of lesson. I'm seeing you being very protective over your energy. You're just not going to let any old body back into your energy moving forward. I'm seeing you're very close to some sort of success. Like I stated before, there's an energy of you guys focusing on something. You're coming out as the King of Wands. You're standing in your energy of leadership. There's an energy of dependency. And I'm seeing an energy of you simply inspiring other people. I see right around there is an energy of new finances, a new beginning, a new financial opportunity here for you. And I'm seeing you protecting yourself with the Seven of Wands. There's an energy of you having boundaries set. I see you guys standing your ground. You possibly got somebody blocked out, got your number changed, but that does not stop anything. Look at this. You see how that apology is coming in? This person wanting to come in, possibly apologize. This person can possibly be younger than you. Place it whatever way it needs to be placed. Let's go ahead and clarify these boundaries. And somebody saying no, no, they don't want to hear that. Clarify these boundaries. What's going on with our fire signs? Leo, Aries, Sagittarius. Clarify boundaries. It's like almost like an energy of somebody pushing back. I'm seeing there is I'm seeing strength card here. There's an energy of you guys standing in your power nonetheless, maintaining some sort of control over a situation. And I see there's an energy of victory or you overcoming some sort of obstacle. Hmm. There's an energy of you moving forward, standing in your power and moving forward. That's the point of you placing these boundaries. Okay, Virgo could definitely be significant, or it could be Capricorn towards Virgo, but I'm definitely seeing there's an energy of something. There's a buildup of some sort of momentum. Clarify these boundaries. Clarify these boundaries. Yeah, an open-minded person, someone who's willing to learn, someone you can count on. Clarify these boundaries. Because with this Eight of Wands, it's talking about something moving very quickly. It's almost rushed. Like I said, it's a buildup of some sort of momentum. There's a Virgo or some sort of earth sign here clarifying these boundaries or no boundaries is what I'm seeing here. And I'm seeing you guys getting good news, okay? It's talking about you guys obtaining or receiving some sort of good news in regards to earthly matters. I'm seeing some sort of solid beginning, especially when it comes for something comes to something that you're doing that is you're very passionate about, okay? I'm seeing you guys getting good news. I'm seeing you physically possibly starting something new as well. And with this Lovers card at the bottom of the deck, I am definitely seeing someone possibly I'm seeing ultimatum with this Lovers card because I'm seeing someone having to make a choice or some sort of decision regarding a relationship or some sort of connection. Listening to your higher self. Yeah, you will definitely have to listen to your higher self and go within. Trust your intuition. Spirit wants you to trust in self because I'm seeing whoever you are, you already have some sort of spiritual insight. And you may possibly utilize divination as well, get tarot readings or something like that. So listen to your intuition, trust yourself. Fire signs, Leo, Aries, Sagittarius. When it comes to somebody that may possibly have Earth in their chart, clarify this third party. What's going on with fire signs? Third party. Fire signs and third party. What happened? Third party. What's going on with fire signs, third party? So clarifying this third party energy, I'm seeing someone being left out in the cold. Let me grab one more. Third party. What's going on with fire signs? Leo, Aries, Sagittarius. Third party. Yeah, there's an energy of clarifying third party. Somebody being left out in the cold, possibly experiencing some sort of negative impact or negative changes as someone continue to move forward. I'm seeing an energy of someone having foresight. There's an energy of someone having plans or planning for the future or planning forward. You guys are planning forward for because I'm seeing a Queen of Wands out here. So we got King of Wands, Queen of Wands, Queen of Wands. It's like an energy you leaving somebody behind. Maybe you're leaving a connection behind. I don't know, leaving somebody behind to possibly meet your person. Because whoever this earth sign is not matching this fire energy as you. And I'm seeing whoever this person is. I don't know what this third party energy is. I don't know. This could be like an energy of someone that is very I'm seeing this person being attractive, helpful. This could also talk about this third party energy possibly being left out in the cold and leaving someone behind. You got somebody in your energy that feel like you left them on the back burner or something like that, Leo, Aries, Sagittarius. I am seeing an energy of somebody in hermit. There's an energy of somebody going through spiritual enlightenment. Yeah, there's an energy of going through some sort of spiritual enlightenment, self-reflection. We have the Empress energy out here, and the Nine of Swords, where somebody's in some sort of regret, remorse, anxiety regarding a situation. There's an energy of stress, burden, and unhappiness. Oh, clarifying the so is this Empress the Queen of Wands? Is what I'm seeing here. That's in the Nine of Swords. Could this person be in some sort of regret, remorse, or anxiety? This could be someone that you were in a connection with, or something, or somebody that wants to be in a connection with you that is over. You could possibly have children with this person. You don't necessarily have to, or you possibly have gotten married, but I am seeing energy of you ending something out for your happiness. There may have been some sort of toxicity here as well. You might even felt restricted or possibly trapped in a connection. Yeah, you could have been in a connection. Married, long-term relationship or something like that. What else is going on with Leo, Aries, Sagittarius? What's happening? I'm seeing an energy of injustice, you guys. There's an energy of someone being dishonest and taking like I'm seeing a lack of accountability for things that they have done. There's an energy of someone experiencing some sort of unfairness. There was some sort of karmic things that were going on, is what I'm seeing here. Yeah, because I'm seeing an injustice with the Justice card. I'm seeing that there is some sort of unfairness. It may be in regards to finances too. Something happened in regards to somebody money. You're experiencing an injustice when it comes to their finances. Because I see the Ten of Pentacles and the Nine of Pentacles out here, but then I see the Three of Swords, where there is some sort of breakup. There's an energy of grief and sorrow, possibly even some sort of confusion because of some sort of money or some sort of inheritance. I don't know, because there is some money out here. It says some sort of, I don't know if there's an inheritance. I don't know if it have something to do with a foundation or some sort of unexpected finances that someone obtained, that you guys obtain or something, or getting ready to obtain. I'm seeing you in this Nine of Pentacles. There's an energy of you guys being single. Yeah, there's an energy of independence, security, stability, breaking up. Yeah. And I'm seeing ups and downs. Okay, there is an energy of juggling. Maybe there were at one period of time some sort of juggling. I don't know if someone has made this person may have stole from you before financially or something, but I'm definitely seeing an energy of profit and loss, incoming and outgoing. So it seems like something is happening here with the fire signs, Leo, Aries, Sagittarius. Be careful with your money. Be careful with your money. Y'all gotta definitely be careful here. Because it seems like there is definitely some sort of injustice here where somebody is lying or deceiving or creating some sort of situation where there is some sort of unfair situation going on here, and it may have something to do with your money. It may be experiencing some sort of heartbreak, especially when it comes to this, or some sort of hurt or sadness regarding this unhappiness. And it may even put you in a bind because I'm seeing the Two of Pentacles out here where there's an energy of juggling. Y'all be careful. I'm seeing a closing of a cycle here. Yeah, that's what I'm seeing here, fire signs. Y'all have a good one.
Can't keep going back to what I used to know.